Alright, what's new everyone? So today we're going to be talking about the chime on the doorbell, how to adjust the volume when you press the button, and how to adjust the speaker volume when you're talking, when the person is listening. It'd be you talking to them through your phone. So I'm going to show you examples, what it sounds like, and also the first thing I want to talk about is some people request that when you press the button, it makes a different noise than the chime sound. And Blink has not enabled that option. What you can change is if you have this connected to Echo, you can change the sound the Echo plays, or you can change the notification sound on your phone, but you cannot change the sound that comes out of the doorbell. Or if you have the chime connected to a Blink mini camera, it will also play the chime. You cannot change that sound. Blink knows that the consumer wants it, but they have not made that available through software yet. So let's get into how to change the volume when someone presses the button. So in the Blink app here, you're going to want to go into the device settings. You do that by tapping the three dots down here. Device settings. You're going to go to audio settings. And you'll have, you see you got two options. One is this ding tone, is what they call it. Sounds like an insult. But that's the volume that you hear when you press the button. So what you heard was at medium. I'm going to turn it relatively, or let's turn it all the way down. And you're going to click save. Wait for it to save. Here's what it sounds like. Just nothing when it's all the way turned down. Muted. Let's go back to our audio settings here and turn it up just a hair. That's as low as it lets you get it. It's actually, I only have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only have 7 options for you, with lowest being completely muted. Let's just turn it up to 1 here, save it, and we'll ring it again and see how loud that is. Okay. So we got 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got it all the way turned up here. Let's save it and see what that sounds like. Okay. After audio setting, I'm going to turn that back down to the middle. And I'm going to leave. This is the default. I haven't changed the speaker volume. It's at 6. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and we're going to listen to it. The way I'm going to do this test is I'm going to speak. I'm going to use some editing magic so you can just hear what it sounds like out of the doorbell. Let's save it. Alright, I don't want you to have to stare at me, so I'm going to point this out the window. I'm going to go to live stream here. Book the live feed. When I tap this unmute, my voice is going to go through the phone and out through the Blink doorbell. Here is what it sounds like at volume 6. We go back in and change it to 7. Alright, I'm just going to jump from here on out so you won't have to watch me go through this same repetitive action for 4 times. Here is what it sounds like at volume 7. Here is what it sounds like at volume 1. Here's what it sounds like at volume 0. Nothing's coming out of the speaker. Alright, so I am going to go back and turn to the default here at 6. We'll save that. If you wanted to use the Blink mini camera as a chime, you'd go into Doorbell and Chime settings and select Use Blink mini camera as a chime. You do have to have the Blink mini set up with in your system before you are able to do that. I only have the doorbell with this system, so if that's something you'd like to see, again, let me know and I can show you how to do that. Other than that, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.